Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of advantages to having your equation in slope-intercept form. It allows us to graph and visually look at the information a lot faster than having to do it as a table and doing it piece by piece. But what about this equation right here? As you can see, it's not in slope-intercept form. And the giveaway is y isn't by itself. So how do we use those shortcuts when our equation's not in slope-intercept form? Well, basically we just use our knowledge of solving equations and undoing things to just rearrange this equation so that it does look like slope-intercept form, where y is by itself and all the other information's on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a roadmap here. If I'm focusing on y, basically what it looks like they did to create this equation in the first place, at least the left-hand side of it, was that they multiplied y by 4 and then they added 3x. So what we're going to do is pull a U-turn and just undo those moves. So first thing we're going to do is subtract 3x to both sides, and we get 4y equals negative 8 minus 3x. And then we're going to divide by 4 to undo this times by 4. And of course what I do to one side, I do the other side. And make sure you divide the whole other side by 4. So here we get y equals, now negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2, and then minus 3x divided by 4 won't divide, so I'm just going to leave it as minus 3x over 4. Okay, and so now we've got it in slope-intercept form. Y is by itself, and even though they're out of order, this is okay, because it's not about the order that they come in. It's all about the slope being the number next to x, which in this case is negative 3/4, and b, which is the number by itself, is the negative 2. So we have a slope, or m, of negative 3/4, and we have a y-intercept of negative 2. So now we can go to the graph, find negative 2 as our y-intercept, and then it was negative 3 over 4, so we're going to go down 3 over 4. And since I'm out of space this way, I'm just going to reverse directions. I'm going to go up 3 and back 4, so I get another dot along that line so I can see it. And that's all we need. We can go ahead, pull out a ruler, graph it, and that'll be the equation that goes with the graph that goes with this equation. Alright, so let's see if I can get this ruler to work. Something like that. And we draw our line. And there we go. Alright, so that's the graph for this equation.